Well, hello there. A warm welcome to you guys if you're here for the first time. Those of you who are already here, welcome. Today we'll be making this amazing Guyanese staple. Now, this is the whole wheat bake and saltfish. Some are stuffed and some are not. All right, and I do hope you guys find this video interesting. It's a very, very, very delicious recipe, and I really want you guys to try it. All right, so you can have dinner in less than 30 minutes. These baked are absolutely delicious. Let's jump right into this video. So here I have my whole wheat flour and my all-purpose flour. Whisk everything in together. Make sure it is well incorporated together. Then we are going in with our baking powder and salt, brown sugar. Whisk everything in again. Then we're going to add some salted butter. Then after that is done, we're going to add some yeast here. Not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box for an easy, absolutely delicious bake ever. All right, not to worry. So we're gonna flour our work surface and we're gonna knead this into a nice ball. Please do not over knead, maybe about 3 minutes, and set aside. Now you are going to divide your bake into equal parts. You can stuff some with fish or beef or whatever you like. All right, or not is just an option. So I did not stuff all of mine, I just stuffed a few just to show you the versatility here. So now we are going to fry our bake. Make sure your oil here is not hot at all. I mean, it should be about 180 to 200 degrees. And you can also regulate your stove. Nothing worse than having a raw centered bake. All right, take your time, low and slow, baby. This looks absolutely amazing. All right, so mine took about 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. You're gonna remove and set aside. Now, if you've ever visited Guyana, you already know bacon saltfish. There's one of the staples. If you have not, if you're planning on going, make sure to grab you some bake and saltfish. All right. These are absolutely delicious, or you can just whip it up at home, right? This recipe is very easy for a successful bake experience. So do not forget to make this one and let me know how yours turned out. All right. I'd like to thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Again, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, or drop a comment. Love you guys. Bye bye.